up? This is how we Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you if iPhone 11 is eligible update to iOS 16.6 or not. In this case, you can update to the last version of iOS to have all the features, but sometime when you have more latest version of iOS, your phone may get slow in some cases. So let's see if the phone is eligible or not. We go to the setting in this directly, very simple. In setting, you have to go to general option here. You can see, guys, hit this one. After that, you see software update, hit this one. So you can see, guys, I have iOS 16.6 here, 3.84 gigabyte. So this phone, iPhone 11, is eligible. I can do that. So here only you have to hit download and install. Here should appear. If you don't see here, that means your iPhone is not eligible. So you can't install the updated version, so your phone is dead or old, something as this. But sometimes better not to update to the last version if you don't have any problem, because could be some of the new version are more faster, could have some problem with your old phone, guys. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.